Safely increasing the limit on Google Pay is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, verify your identity. Then, Google requires identity verification before increasing your limit. This usually involves providing government-issued ID like your passport, driver's license, or social security card. Ensure you upload clear and valid photos of your documents. Then, linking your verified bank account to your Google Pay account can significantly increase your limit. Now, this provides Google with greater assurance about your financial stability. So, gradually increase your limit. Instead of requesting a large limit increase at once, start small and gradually increase it over time. This demonstrates responsible financial behavior and increases trust in Google. Then, use Google Pay regularly. Actively using Google Pay for transactions shows Google that you are a responsible user who manages their finances well. This can lead to them offering you higher limits over time. Then, monitor your spending. Be mindful of your spending habits and avoid exceeding your limit. Responsible financial management can positively influence your future limit increases.